meditation is the biggest mystery of this world. Science is still trying to figure out that what happens in meditation. Now they have started saying, they have come out with a lot of researches that when you do regular meditation, there is some kind of a chemical which releases from your brain, which helps you to be more self-efficient, which makes your quality of your work much better, which gives you a better memory, which releases the hormones of joyfulness in you, which keeps you youthful. Now science is saying that there are so many researches going on in Europe, in US, in Canada. So see, the phenomena of meditation is something a very rare. It's a very rare kind of phenomena which takes place when you are not thinking anything. The thoughtlessness, you are alive. You are alive, but your brain is dead. It's so challenging for science to explore it. That how come a human is alive but they are not thinking, because for them mind is everything. Till the time mind is working, you are alive. What is medical science? As per medical science, what they call death is when your mind stops working. When your brain, I would call it brain in a medical term. When your brain stops working, that is the time they call it a physical death, a biological death. And in meditation, we go beyond that. The brain stops working and still the consciousness expands into the existence.
So when you say science and spirituality are the two sides of one coin, so like a person going beyond,
You have to speak loud.
a person going beyond, like science, experiencing this spirituality, can he or she explain such experiences? Can he or she like the experience that he had, the knowledge that he got from his internal energy, can he prove it in terms of science? Because it is in human nature that you don't believe anything without any experience or any evidence.
Yeah. So as I previously also I mentioned, now I'm again saying that first of all you have to understand one thing. Science and spirituality are the two sides of the same coin. They are incomplete without each other. Like Shiva. Shiva is in Shakti and Shakti is in Shiva. They are not two entities. They are two entities yet in oneness. They are in a perfect divine union, or I would say a synchronization. They're synchronized with each other. Likewise, spirituality and science, they are two sides of the same coin. Science without little bit of spiritual vision is incomplete.
Yeah.
That's why Einstein, after knowing so much about the energy also, somewhere he missed it. He missed it. Because this part, the little spiritual vision was missing, because he did not believe in the concept of God or soul.
Yeah.
Likewise, if you are in spirituality, you need little bit of that practical vision along with your spirituality.
Yeah.
So sometimes in spirituality also, doubting is good. It's not bad at all. You are questioning something which is good, which basically will help you to go into the deeper layers of that truth. You will explore more into it, and in the process you will know its little tiny things, the little secrets, the little big secrets, I would say. So they are two sides of the same coin.